Many Python learners master the basics, often independently, by using books, picking tutorials and video courses. But then they reach a certain point in their journey when they feel they need a bit more guidance. Could this be you? Often this is the point when you're ready to dive deeper into Python, to understand how it works behind the scenes. You may want to be able to ask questions to an expert instructor, have discussions with your instructor and with other students who are learning with you. You may want a bit more structure in your learning compared to the self-service approach you've used so far. However, you're also busy. You don't have all the time in the world to learn. There's work, family, friends, life, and all that. But you are ready to commit a couple of hours a day. So, here at Real Python, we designed a new cohort-based course to do exactly that. It includes live components, but it's not entirely live. You can still cover most of the material every day at whatever time of day suits you. So how does it work? It's 8 weeks long. There's material you can cover every single day, and this is material that's curated from Real Python's tutorials and video courses. There are exercises for you to try out what you've learned. There are live sessions every week. So every week there's one key lesson, which is part of the core curriculum, but then there are 2 more live sessions, and these are instructor Q&As where you can ask your questions, join in the discussions we're having with other students. And then the glue that binds everything together is a forum exclusive for the course where you can share your code, ask questions, join in discussions. The forum is where we'll be every day discussing the day's contents, discussing your exercises, your difficulties. And that's where a lot of the understanding will happen there, as well as in the live sessions, of course. Now, this is an intermediate level course. Intermediate is one of those words where it could mean many things to different people. So I'll post the link below to the curriculum so that you can have a look at it in detail. We'll start with a quick review of object-oriented programming. But this is not a course about OOP. Instead, we're going to use object-oriented programming as a springboard to dive deeper into Python's core topics. For example, we'll look at how special methods are linked to every core Python feature. One of these, Pythonic looping. How do we loop Pythonically using iterators and iterables and generators? We'll explore in detail how functions work and their more advanced uses, things like decorators and the various scope you get in functions. We'll explore advanced data types. And importantly, we will understand what gives data types their characteristics. And this is relevant because then you can understand not just those data types, but future ones, including ones you write yourself. And in the final 2 weeks of the course, we'll work on a project that brings all of these topics together into one application. If this sounds like something that you're ready for, something that you need in your journey, then ask us questions. If you're not sure about whether this is the right course for you, contact us and have a look at the link below where you have all the information you need. Hopefully, I'll see you on the upcoming cohort course.